This recipe comes from my beloved island of Sardinia, and it only takes 10 minutes. And it's one of those recipes that you come back over and over again. The first thing you want to do is to cook your pasta, so drop it in plenty of salted boiling water. While the pasta is cooking, we're gonna make the sauce. First of all, pancetta. Put the pancetta in a cold pan, then raise the temperature up. So in this way, it's gonna render all the fat and it's gonna get nice and crispy. Next, finally dice a small brown onion. As soon as you see the pancetta has rendered a bit of fat, then go in with the onions. Keep cooking the onions on a medium-low heat. Only once the pancetta and the onions are nice and golden, then go in with the broad beans. Cook the broad beans for 2 minutes, then add a splash of wine. A ladle of pasta water, and then the pasta. Next, the fresh parsley and the sun-dried tomatoes. And give it a good stir all together. To finish, turn the heat off and go with cheese. You can use any hard Italian cheese or pecorino. Ho ho ho! And by the way, this one is not for showing off. The movement emulsifies the sauce and it makes it nice and creamy. Before you serve it, taste it for seasoning, but you don't need to add any salt in the sauce because you have already the cheese and the pancetta. Enjoy this taste of Sardinia in only 10 minutes. I wanted to share this recipe with you because it's one of those recipes that I didn't make it in my new cookbook, Eat Like a Sardinian, Live to 100. So here, it's just for you. Delicious.